The AI chatbot that we built today, it answers our question correctly. The main part it is totally free. You can build it as well. So let's go. This is main interface of make.com. So you can see here, this is the blue plus option. Just click on it. So we are using a Slack here. So just click on this plus button here and search here like a Slack. I'm searching here. You can see here Slack. So you can see here in Slack there is many triggers and many function here. So we are basically automating our process like someone. We are automating the process like when someone like in our this channel message us, we automate this with the help of make.com. So just we are using here like a trigger watch public channel message. You can also see here watch private message as well and watch direct message as well. We are using a watch public channel message only. Just click on it. Here our setting of a trigger, you can see here this is the option like a input method. So you can use like a select from a list as well and search by a name as well. We are using a select from a list here. Just click on it and here you can see I have a multiple channel here. So I'm showing you here. Just click on this option and you can see here there's a many option like I have channels. So now we are using only a YouTube here. Just click on it and limit we are using here for one for testing and save it. Now it is asking me to choose where to start. Just click on the choose manually here and here you can see our first message is this one and here you can see join YouTube and here if I click on it and run once here, now you can see our data output is showing like this one, this message. You can see here join YouTube channel. You can use it in make.com completely free. The brain of our automation is ChatGPT. So the main part is you can use it in make.com completely free. Just click on here. You can see here this is a plus option. Just click on it and scroll down. You can see here this is a module like OpenAI. Just click on it. And here the main part is you can use it in make.com completely free because it just you can see here it just use your make.com account credits. You don't need any API to connect with make.com. So just click on this option and here the main part you can use our latest model as well like GPT 5.5 and many more as well. We are using a low model here. If you use a higher model, it will consume more credit. If you use a low model, it will consume your low credit. So if you have a lower task, just use a lower model. I'm using here a GPT-5. Here this is the text prompt which you give instruction to GPT like analyze them and after that it will create a message for that. Just I already create a message. I am just giving a prompt here and pasting it. You can see here I have giving him in instruction like you are an answer bot, a helpful, friendly AI assistant for AutomateWithAnsar. I give him all instruction that I want, and here the end I just map here the text message. You can see here this one, and save it. After that, we are using a send a module to this channel again. So again, just click on the plus button here, and again search here like a Slack. And you can scroll down. You can see here this is a function like send a message. Just click on it and after clicking you can see here enter a channel ID or name. You can use a list as well and you can search manually as well. We are selecting from the list. Just click on it and after clicking it will ask me to which channel type you want to send a message. I want to send a message into my public channel. You can see other channel as well like a private direct message to multiple people. I am using here like a public only. Just click on it and the public channel which you want to send a message, I am choosing here a same channel that we are getting a message from that. I am using here YouTube here. Just click on it. Now in text section it is the main part. We are mapping here like a result which our GPT provide the result. After analyzing the message it will provide a result. We are mapping here. Just save it. Now you can see our automation, our AI chatbot is ready. It is working exactly as you give instruction to them. Now we are testing it. We are going to this channel and just send a message here. I am asking him from like what service do you offer? Send it. And you can see here I send a message to them and I click run once button here. And you can see it is running our GPT analyzing the message. And you can see here it is running. It is send a message to our channel. You can see here it reply perfectly that we ask what service do you offer. It give a completely correct answer that we give instruction to in like in this GPT module. So we are asking again another question in a different language. Question here आप क्या करते हैं and I'm sending here. And now you can see I send a message to them. It is running. It is analyzing the message. Now you can see it is running and send a message again. You can see here it send a message to me in Urdu as well. So that's how you build a AI chatbot that work for your business. It automate your answering question perfectly with automations. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you in next one.